Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to duet on TikTok. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up TikTok app. Make sure you have already downloaded TikTok app on your device. Now once you open up TikTok app, this will show you this kind of interface. Here find video with whom you want to make duet. So let's say I want to make duet video with this, then simply click on share button. And now scroll left and you will be seeing duet icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will open this kind of interface. Now in order to make your video, just press red button until you finish your recording. Now click on red button that is located on right corner. Now click on next button. Now tap on post. So in this way you can make duet video on TikTok. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.